Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something super exciting, the 5 powerful AI tools that are totally free and insanely useful. From writing and summarizing to creating amazing images and even humanizing the text, I tried them all out and I can't wait to show you how they work. So stick around. Now I use my first AI tool ChatGPT to analyze the small sales data set. I entered the numbers for the 5 products A, B, C, D, and E. In just few seconds, ChatGPT generated this bar chart to clearly show the sales performance. We can see that the product D sold the most, while the product C had the lowest sales. ChatGPT also calculated the total sales, which came to the 64 and the average sales about 13 per product. Now let's look at our second tool, Perplexity AI. Unlike the ChatGPT, this tool is connected to the internet, so it gives the real-time answers with the proper sources. For example, when I ask it to summarize a Wikipedia article on the climate change, it not only explains the topic but also shows where the information comes from. This makes the perplexity really useful for the research and the fact checking compared to the ChatGPT, which is better for the creative tasks. Now let's explore our third tool, Canva AI. It has free text to image generator where you can create the visuals just by typing a prompt. When I click on the generate image, Canva itself suggested a mountain scene and in just few seconds it gave me stunning realistic images. And then I tried my own prompt, a rabbit playing in a rain as Canva generated a fun short video with the creative visuals. This makes the Canva AI really powerful for the both images and videos, especially for the students, designers, or anyone who needs the quick visuals without the professional design skills. Now let's explore our fourth AI tool, Quillbot. It's a free and simple tool that helps with the paraphrasing, summarizing, plagiarism checking, and even AI detection. Paraphrasing, I start by pasting a paragraph about climate change into the Quillbot paraphraser. First, let's check the fluency mode. It's rewrite the text to make it smoother and more natural. Now, if I switch to the formal mode, Quillbot makes the text more professional and academic tone. AI detector. Quillbot also has an AI detector. Here I paste the same text and the tool checks whether it sounds like an AI generated or human written content. As it shows, it is 100% AI generated. Another useful feature is the plagiarism check. By pasting text here, we can quickly see if it matches any existing sources online, which is especially helpful for the students and writers. AI humanizer. Finally, the Quillbot even offers an AI humanizer. If you paste the AI generated text here, it rephrases it so it sounds more natural and human like, helping bypass AI detection system. Now let's have some funny with our last AI tool, Stable Diffusion on Hugging Face. This tool allows us to create completely new images just by typing a single prompt in text form. For example, I typed a funny prompt, a cat wearing sunglasses driving a teeny red sports car through a city made of giant pizza slices, cartoon style. Within the second, Stable Diffusion generated hilarious and creative images based on this idea. This shows how powerful and fun AI can be for art, memes, or just experimenting with the crazy ideas.